Good afternoon. Um, this is Dr. Ziqing Wei from Eastern Wellness Acupuncture. I am a practitioner of Chinese medicine and functional medicine in Lakewood, Colorado. So today I want to further discuss about cancer-related fatigue because I'd like to do the same topic and dig deeper into it every other week when we meet online. So the cancer today, I want to talk about the cancer-related fatigue in China, specifically in Chinese medicine. Why is that? Because Chinese medicine happened to be something that uh, it's widely accepted into by the doctor and patient as far as the acupuncture and Chinese herbs. So the importance is definitely there, but a lot of people would not, have no idea what it is and what's why is it related to be a big part of cancer supported treatment, and so how the as we talked about cancer related fatigue last time, that the cancer related fatigue can be caused by the chemotherapy or the therapies that the patient was receiving, or the disruption in the hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axle, the disruption in our circadian clock, and also the increased inflammation because of the cancer. And on top of that, the growth of the increased metabolic rate and the growth of the tumor. So as far as if someone is having cancer related fatigue, how does Chinese medicine see it? Chinese medicine see the cancer-related fatigue as uh, a deficiency syndrome. We can call it deficiency syndrome, and that deficiency you can see as about imbalance. The imbalance. What's the imbalance about? The imbalance between the good energy, which is in Chinese medicine we call it righteous qi, and the pathogenic qi, which is the tumor. So the imbalance of these two can cause deficiency. Uh, think about this as a struggle between the good guy and the bad guy. If the bad guy is winning, the good guy can be like, "Oh, I am losing it," or I need more reinforcement so that we can fight off the bad guys. So in Chinese medicine, the deficiency, we always see like the imbalance. When the imbalance occur, how do we protect ourselves so that it doesn't make it worse? Then we need to talk about what caused like a further uh, worsening of the imbalance. So there are a few things that I would like to address. So cancer itself is an imbalance in the righteous energy, or the good energy, and the pathological energy. And in between the struggle, the pathological energy can start to win and then take over the good energy, and that's the concept of Chinese medicine. And after the formation of the cancer tissue or the cancer cell, that's how Chinese medicine sees it. And on top of that, when patient go into having surgery or chemo radiation therapy, or even uh, target therapy, a lot of it, these therapy, even though it's very very beneficial for cancer, as far as decrease the size or prevent it from metastasizing, it damage it the toxin it create, or the trauma that it create, can further damage the righteous qi, what we call the zhen qi, the good energy that we preserve to help with our function. And also, a lot of time the inflammation in the patient who has cancer was caused by imbalanced diet, meaning that there might be too much sugar, too much not so good fat, or imbalance in the enzyme, or fresh fruit and vegetable. Uh, so these, after chemo, with or without chemo, this can damage our GI system, cause more burden in our GI system, and create more inflammation in our body that further deplete the righteous G, kind of like you are sending more bad guy into helping bad guy. And the third is the emotion. Emotional aspect is actually very important in Chinese medicine. Why is that? It's one of the things that cause the let's see as a pathological factor in Chinese medicine. Every emotion in Chinese medicine has a flow of energy, or you can call it the flow of qi. So with people that has more um, like a stagnant of energy or stagnant of qi can cause more of can cause the energy to be more going into more pathological side of things, and that again kind of like helping the bad guy by sending in more bad guys into the situation. So Chinese medicine actually address these three related cancer related that's regarding of cancer related fatigue. And how do you do that? Chinese medicine, a big part of Chinese medicine, or two big part of Chinese medicine is the herbs and acupuncture. And I also like to bring in the food therapy by balancing the the nutrient in your daily diet to help with the fatigue or help with the overall situation. So the acupuncture. So if when in a conventional part of things, and I just briefly want to mention that in conventional part of things, I think uh, there are methods that helps, like steroids, selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor, or uh, medication that kind of excite the central nervous system. What if you're someone that is not responding to these treatment very well? And I think this is what I would like to bring the idea out there, kind of plant the seed, is that Chinese medicine or functional medicine can help you. The reason why is Chinese medicine, a lot of it's not about reducing the cancer or attacking the cancer, but more of bringing the righteous or the good energy up so that you can increase your quality of life, increase the emotional stability, reduce the inflammation, increase, like for instance, increase the quality of sleep and overall function. So in Chinese medicine, a big part of it is the Chinese medicine focus on the GI health and also the emotional health, and in as part of the treatment. And the good thing about this is that, as I mentioned, that if in the grand scheme of things, the GI health is actually the foundation of our normal function. So without a strong GI health, a lot of things it's like, yeah, you don't have a good ground for health. So Chinese medicine actually have a big emphasis on this, by increase the motility, the microbiome, the overall function of GI, and also because Chinese medicine focus on the emotional health, so the promotion of what we call the flow of energy, that's controlling or managing or uh, uh, increase the stability of emotion is also very important. And this can be done through acupuncture and Chinese herbs. And you can also do it at home by eating a balanced diet. What do I mean by that? I want to promote idea is that food are good for you, but there are certain food that you should pay more attention to, or eat more of it or less of it. So in cancer patient, definitely I'm a big advocate of less sugar and more good fat. In Chinese medicine, I like to tell my patient to eat more color, as many color as you can get uh, in one sitting. You can eat blueberry, kale, pineapple because it's yellow, a little bit of carrots because it's red, or uh, kale for green, and purple rice as black. So in kind of like you're using the phytochemical to help. And of course, there are many diets out there, but I think this is the most easy thing that you can follow at home, is that to eat less sugar and incorporate more color into your diet. And that definitely can help with a certain aspect of things, especially when you're someone that's fighting with cancer. Anyway, so this is what I would like to share today regarding cancer related patient fatigue. that is treated with Chinese medicine. And hopefully, this is helpful. And again, I would like to bring it up that in Eastern Wellness Acupuncture, I always offer a free consultation. So if you're someone that want to talk about that you're going undergoing the chemo treatment, and you feel that the cancer fatigue, the related fatigue, is just unbearable, you want to increase your quality of life, feel free to give us a call, and I am going to uh, post my the link for discovery call here. So book your discovery call through this link, and it's free. 15 minutes we can talk about your health concern, how you fight it, how we can support you in this journey of healing. So anyway, stay tuned, and that will be it today, and I will come back and with another topic regarding functional medicine, how functional medicine or Chinese medicine can help in your journey of fighting cancer. Thank you.